Hello folks, welcome to Walkie Talkie. The guy that murdered Anne Widdicombe also tried to blow up Nigel Farage in years previous. Putting that together, he's engaged in acts that would be intending to be a destruction of life. It's also been found out he's a lefty. Oh gosh, them lefties, what are they all about? And I'll tell you what they're all about. They're a very, very dangerous mindset. A cult that obviously thinks killing people is okay because people like Anne Widdicombe support a different political ideation than him. It's fucking ridiculous. Life isn't just about the hugs and cuddles and hippies and no one's illegal and anti-queefer and all that stuff. Unfortunately, it's a wee bit more dark than that. If you don't support their way of thinking politically, you're going to get polished, which is fucking ridiculous. Everyone should have the free right of political opinion without fear, favour, or an iron bar across the skull. Leftism is extremely dangerous. Just enough blue sky tweets and enough videos on YouTube, and it turns the most sane-minded fellow into a barbarous baboon, utter fool. And it's sad that somebody who's so far for social justice would happily kill just on the contrast of political opinion. It's disgusting. Whether you like Farage or not is completely irrelevant, actually. Now eventually we're going to have to wake up one day and realise that red, yellow and blue are all useless to support current day politics, so they need to be swerved upon, and an alternative should be considered. The Green Party don't even bother, they're too busy lighting trees or something. But it clearly has been, the person has been idealised, I think it's ideologised to a point where they, as in he, I don't do the pronouns, thinks it's okay to kill folk. I think it's absolutely mental. People can get to such a mental state that they think, yeah, it's alright to kill somebody. Yeah, it's great. I mean, what if a guy goes round to his mum's house and finds her dead? He wouldn't be happy. He's happy enough to try and kill politicians, but that politician could be his mum. And also, I'm a fond favour of a phrase, what goes around comes around. I know he's in jail and he's going to be for quite a long time, but it could be a day that he goes around to see his mum and she's lifeless in a fucking chair, Doesn't really think that what goes around comes around. Somebody could even kill him. So, whilst he's feeling all that 5 minutes of self-righteousness, he's just killed somebody, tried to kill someone else, and he could be on a hit list and get polished himself. It would be ironic, a murderer has been murdered, but ultimately people do deserve a free right of political opinion without fear, favour or an iron bar around the head. That's all I'm going to say. Keep tuned in for more updates. I'm sure probably will be actually, the way things are going, and until next time.